Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Drive to Claude AI. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find Claude's connector settings and link your Google Drive so you can use it inside the platform. The process is straightforward, and once you know where the settings are, it only takes a few moments. To begin, go to Claude and open the main interface. Make sure you're signed in so all of the settings and customization options are available. Once you're on the Claude screen, look to the left side of the page. This is where you'll find the main navigation panel. From there, click on Settings. This will open the area where Claude lets you manage general preferences, tools, and available integrations. If you're not seeing exactly the same layout, don't worry. Interfaces can sometimes look slightly different depending on updates, but the option you need should still be in the left side menu or inside the main settings view. Next, click on Connectors. This section is where Claude lists the external services you can link to your account. Connectors are useful because they allow Claude to work more directly with content from other platforms, including file storage services like Google Drive. Once you're in the connectors area, click on Customize. This opens the page where you can manage which connectors are available and how they're set up. Take a moment here to look through the list. If Google Drive is not already visible, click Browse Plugin, and then click Connector. This should take you to the place where additional connector options can be found. From there, locate Google Drive so it can be added to your available integrations. If Google Drive is already listed and you can see a Connect button beside it, you can skip the browsing part and simply click Connect. That's the faster path if the connector is already available in your account. After that, follow the procedure shown on your own screen to continue. This part may include permission prompts, account selection, or confirmation screens from Google and Claude. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being requested. In most cases, you'll just need to approve the connection to finish linking your Google Drive. Once the setup is complete, your Google Drive should be connected to Claude and ready to use. If something doesn't work right away, give the page a quick refresh and check the connector status again in Settings. That's it. You've now connected Google Drive to Claude AI.